Welcome students to Module 403, Learner Response Systems. In this module, we are going to show you how to create, deploy, and display a survey using polldaddy.com. It is very easy to use actually, so go to polldaddy.com and sign up for the free account. And once you are in, it will take you straight up here to your dashboard. Here under All Contents, it will show you everything that you have. If you don't have anything, it will give you this. And we are going to create a new survey, for example. We're going to give it a name. We're going to say survey 1. And down here you have the settings for your survey or poll or whatever it is that you're constructing. We can close after a certain date, or we can close after a certain quota. So I'm going to say 10. Any restrictions that you want, I'm going to say IP restriction. But notice that this warning comes up. Some of these options are not available unless you have the Pro account. So we're just going to skip that and click on Save Settings. Here, once I'm in my survey, I have a bunch of options right here. I have multiple choice, free text, matrix, and rank. First thing, I'll click and drag. And I'm going to say this is question 1 and it is multiple choice. So we can say dogs or cats. Option 1, we're going to say dogs. Option 2, we're going to say cats. So it's implied, what do you like, dogs or cats? This question is mandatory, and they can only choose one at a time, and the answers will be recorded as entered. Now, something very cool that you have in here is, for example, you can add some media. If you want, you can tell your students, watch the following video, for example, funny videos, dogs versus cats, and then you can tell them, you can ask them, who do you like, dogs or cats? You can also add media here to accompany your answer with an image or with a video, media embed, or from your own library. Once the question is done, click on the Done button. And we can now add another question. We're going to say free text. Write your answer below. We are going to let them include a note, which means this is the space that they're going to use to write their answer. We're going to click on Done. And for example, on matrix for a mix and match question. Match the answers to the appropriate questions. Question 1. Question 2. Answer 1, answer 2, and answer 3. The ones that we don't need, we just delete them. This question is also mandatory. Done. Confirm. This question is also mandatory, just so we don't forget. And we are going to click on Save Questions. After my questions are created for my survey, I can choose the style that I want or the template. I'm going to say this 8-bit one. There are quite a few. You will have a lot more if you upgrade to the Pro version. But for the free version, all the ones that are here are sufficient. Here you have a little preview automatically of your survey, and you can actually take it. Write your answer below. This is my answer. And here for the mix and match, question 1 should go with answer 1, question 2 with answer 2, question 3 with answer 3. And then finish the survey. Very well, thank you. Save style settings in case I want to create another survey. Here is the address that the survey is going to be stored at, and I can I can actually share that with my audience. I can go here to website pop-up, for example, and I have the embed code for JavaScript. For WordPress, if you have an account with them, you can display it right on there, or if you have your own blog site, you just copy the direct link, and you can also share it through regular email. For now, I'm just going to copy the direct link, and I am going to go back to my dashboard and open up a brand new document. Link to the Polarity survey, and I'm going to create a link on this word by creating a hyperlink, existing file or web page. Control click, and we can go take the survey once again. Write your answer below. I don't want to. Now we're going to say this backwards. Very well, thank you for taking the survey. And now if I go here to my dashboard, I see that I have 2 responses as the page just refreshed. If I want to view the results, I can go here and it tells me this many people answer cats, this many people answer dogs. These are my collected responses to the open-ended questions, and here are for mix and match. So this is how you create your own survey. This has been a tutorial on how to use learner response systems.